everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a first impression video. I'm going to use the new Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette, but I don't know if it's really new, but it's new for me. So each day I'm going to do my makeup as usual, and I'm going to use this to my eyes. And in the end maybe we have around 4 looks. This is the palette. Some shimmers, golds. On Revolution's own site it retails for $18 and I paid around that, so we will do the first look today using this, and I think I'm going to do a very bright and not so intense, not full glam, and then tomorrow I will do something more colorful. But yeah, let's get into this. We begin with a Morphe brush, M441. It's a fluffy blending brush. And first we take this very light pink shade for our transition color. I can see a bit of hiccup in the palette. It's a very light shadow, so you don't expect it to be this intense. I have some palettes from Revolution already, but I don't really like them. But this one is the first one I like in a while. I felt like I had to buy it. Now we take a more dense blending brush from Sigma. And I think I will take this, this almost rusty orange color and try to intense the eye and the look. There is not many dark colors at all in this palette, and I don't want it to be any darker than it is. Okay, I think we're going with the shimmer, and we take one of the gold ones, and they're very buttery. I will apply with my finger. Okay, so now we do the lower lash line, and I'm going to take this smaller brush. And then I take this rusty orange and apply to the lower lash line. And that's the eyeshadow, I think. I will apply some black eyeliner and mascara, and then I will come back. Okay, that's today's look. For look number 2, keep on watching. I have already done the rest of my face early this morning, so I'm a bit cakey now. I test out a new foundation, so as you may see. Today we are going to do a pink look, so I take my Luxie brush, 702 Tapered Blending Eye, and a light pink. Oh! Do you see that? That's pigmented. I'm impressed. We take a little darker one. I think we take this in the corner. They are really pigmented and easy to blend. I take a smaller brush from Sigma and this brown red shade. So we are going to do a cut crease, and I'm going to use my Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer. So I take this very typical pink shade. That's pink as fuck. I feel like it's a bit patchy in the outer corners, but I don't know if it's because I've done my makeup this morning and the foundation is weird. I don't know. And with the first pink we used, I'm going to do the lower lash line, but I also have some pigments left on this from the brown, so it will show up a bit darker. I will just go and put some lashes on and I will be right back. Okay, and this is the final look. Final? Okay, this is look number 2, but I said I will do 4 looks. I think I will maybe not, because it's going to be such a long video. And I don't know if you're going to appreciate that, so instead I upload these 2 looks, and if you want me to show you more looks with this palette, then just leave a comment and I will do a part 2. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, then you can click the bell. So I see you in the next video. Bye!